Guys, this is an exciting day. I bought a brand new, well, it's actually brand new LePera Deluxe Silhouette Seat with the biker gel. You can see it's for a 200mm rear tire because I've got a Harley Davidson Fatboy low that this is gonna go onto. Let's see what it looks like a little later. I don't have time to put it on right now, but when I do, you'll see. Comparing it to the old seat, you can see that it has a felt carpeting on the bottom compared to the stock OEM rivets, and this one has the biker gel for long distance comfort. It's 1972, made in Los Angeles. And kind of just turn it around here. You can kind of see the difference between the stock seat and the LePera seat. It's gonna be nice. Here's a preview of what the OEM solo seat looks like. Looks pretty good actually too. Take off the pillion. The big difference is you've got these two right here. I think it's gonna, the LePera seat will mount to this, with the mount to that guy right there, and I'll end up getting something, another one of those to cover up those two. We'll see what happens. Okay, the OEM seat is off. Next thing to do is somehow take these two off and open that up. Mount one of those in there. So it looks like these plastic washers are actually just holding that in. Oh, there it goes. And I'll grab the other one and pull that off from the bottom. Open that up, maybe switch this over here. We'll get that going. That's the OEM bracket there. This is for a 200mm rear tire, so it might be a little different on your guys's, but that's that. I gotta clean that up, take that out, switch that out. Taking this out, looks like there's a C-clip there. Take that out, there's a notch. We're gonna put a zip tie through and stick it over here. So you can see the parts that make this up. That C-clip goes to that. This will go right here. Just gotta clean it up a little bit. Of detailer goes a long way. It's got the OEM protector, tape protector, but you can see it doesn't all survive. Let's try to get this. The process here to put a zip tie through that right there, and then you kind of route that under the fender, hopefully through the hole. It takes a little bit, but there you can see it. And then you line up the notch, the fastener on there, and boom, you are good to go. Last thing you do is put the plastic C-clip on, and it'll just snap into place. And take the zip tie out. Back with the LePera seat, there is some assembly required right here. Put on the hardware, and the hardware has two slots here. That's going to be for the screws that hook to the seat, and this is for the fender. And you can see it's got some adjustability, so you can get it just right. As you can see, there it is. I think I used a 30 seconds Allen to get that all together, but that's gonna go right over here. I'll probably put a shot of it before. So there's the new seat, LePera Silhouette Deluxe with the gel insert. Let's go take our first seat on it. Whoa! Actually, the position feels a little further back. I think it looks a lot cooler. But it's also kind of a little hard right now. Got to break it in, but it feels a lot slicker. And I don't know, it feels when you're sitting on it like it's a better material than the OEM stuff. So it feels a lot more premium. But guys, thanks for watching. This has been a process. I'm building this to tour. I'm actually gonna have a pillion seat for this eventually, maybe in a few weeks. I don't know if you really need to see that, but yeah, it's gonna have luggage and all that because I'm gonna take this out and about. All right guys, thanks. Like, subscribe, you know, have fun.